But so I don't know if you saw, but Elon Musk the other day came out and said that Tesla will accept Bitcoin again as crypto miners use more clean energy. So if you hadn't heard earlier, Tesla said they would accept Bitcoin earlier in the year, causing Bitcoin's price to skyrocket. Afterwards, then Elon Musk said, you know what? We no longer want to accept Bitcoin because of environmental issues. And then his tweet that he came out and said was back on May 12th, just about a month ago. He said Tesla suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. They're not going to be selling, and they won't be selling any Bitcoin, and they intend to use it in transactions as soon as possible, as soon as mining becomes more sustainable. But at that moment, he said, you know what, we are no longer going to accept Bitcoin. This caused the market to crash. Then just the other day, on June 13th, he came out and said that when there's a confirmation of reasonable clean energy usage by miners with positive future trend, Tesla will resume allowing Bitcoin transactions. So when there's about 50% of miners using clean energy, renewable energy resources to mine Bitcoin, then they will allow Bitcoin to be used to buy Tesla. And he said this in response to an article from Cointelegraph, essentially explaining how Elon Musk is manipulating the market. He is, it's like a pump and dump. And he said that's not the case at all. He said, look, if it was a pump and dump, if he was manipulating the market, then Tesla would have bought everything. They would have sold all of their Bitcoin holdings, bought everything back. That's what he said. He's like, so I'm not manipulating it for like personal gain. He's just telling people what he's doing. If he was manipulating it, trying to do a pump and dump scenario where he would like profit off of all this, he would have sold all his Bitcoin. And he said Tesla only sold about 10% of their Bitcoin. They didn't sell the entire thing. They just sold off a small portion to prove that it is easy to liquidate Bitcoin, and they were just doing that as like a proof of concept to show them for the future. What's up, everybody? And so that's what he was basically saying. He's like, look, we've always said that we're going to use Bitcoin. We only sold 10% a couple weeks ago, back in May, back in the first quarter of 2021. They only sold a 10%, a small portion of what they had. They never planned on getting rid of it forever. They were just waiting to see what Bitcoin could do with energy consumption. Can it be more energy efficient? And once they made some of those changes, then they could go back to using it. So at this moment, you still can't buy Tesla with Bitcoin, but they're saying they're working towards that in the future. You guys are saying that he can't manipulate the market more than the government and the news headlines. Yeah, I mean, like, you obviously can see with the crypto market today, the crypto market is up 9.52%. This isn't all because of Elon Musk, but it is really because we had a couple big announcements. One was with Bitcoin having a major upgrade called a major Bitcoin upgrade that will be going into place in November 2021. That was the main reason. But then Elon Musk coming out and talking about Bitcoin, saying about Tesla, that definitely helped. It didn't hurt it, at least in my opinion. Like, they have the Bitcoin Taproot upgrade, but also Elon Musk tweeting about it, only gonna help. Right. I mean, yeah, he did sell 10%, and it was one of the worst months. I believe it was the third or fourth worst month ever for crypto in its entire history. So it was bad, but you got to remember, for the year, we're still doing really well when you're looking at like Ethereum, when you're looking at Bitcoin, things are still doing pretty well.